So here's the plan. I have everything back here and I put some of these items on casters. I originally was going to do a countertop across the back. I feel like having mobile stations that I can move around would just work so much better. So this cabinet, I'm going to mount it on the wall. Once it warms up here in North Carolina, I am going to paint all the inside walls a nice crisp white color. So I've obviously changed my mind. I did end up stacking that on the wall. This dresser, I put it back together. It is two-tone in a way I kind of like it. So I plan on doing something to finish it off so it's not so incomplete, but that at least takes up less floor space. It does have casters, so that makes it mobile. As you can see, I have my miter saw on it, which makes it nice. I built this table out of scrap wood. I am going to be spray painting this though, so it doesn't look so tacky. So this is my plan for the she shed. I have drawn inspiration from so many different areas. This particular one is from At Home with Ashley. This is her she shed that she did, and I love it. It is so pretty. I love the planking that she put on the walls, the rosy pink color, just simple shelves with nice decor. There's also a beautiful, on this one, a chandelier. I love hers as well, but I definitely want to put some sort of a chandelier on mine just to kind of dress it up a little bit. Of course, the other end of things would be not doing the planking and just painting my walls. I did mention that I wanted to paint everything a bright white color. This obviously is a lot more rustic than, At Home with Ashley's shed. Hers comes across much more finished, like a finished room. But even still with this, I could still make it work as far as just painting the cavities and going from there. This also too though has this countertop, which is what I was talking about initially putting in. Looking at it, I might go ahead and do it. I keep flip-flopping back and forth. I don't know. I like the fact that I have mobile stations, but at the same time, this is really nice as well. As we can see in this particular one, the person looks like they're using it as a desk. They have their laptop and various office items. So that gives me something definitely to think about. As far as my dresser is concerned, if I don't leave it the two-tone, and more than anything, I'm thinking of how much work I put into it to sand the bottom set of drawers when it was separated from the top and stain them. But really and truly, it's not a big deal. I can easily just paint over it. If I ever want it back to the raw wood, then I can sand it. But I love the pop of color she has here with the nice handles. These are similar to mine, although mine are like a brushed nickel. She does have magazine racks on hers. I don't think I would do that. I'm looking more maybe along the lines of this with the rolled paper. And then you have like a storage area for clamps and things like that I might do on the side of mine. But this definitely gives me an idea. And as you can see, she has hers on casters as well. And she's on Instagram as Never Skip Brunch. This last one, obviously, it is a much bigger space than my own, but this is just helping me to see with everything painted white how light and bright it is. And then of course I can add in various elements. This is somewhat of a boho style with the rattan furniture and the baskets and things, but I like the juxtaposition of having something rustic like this wood and then adding a pretty chandelier or something. Now, I'm going to be doing various activities in my shed. While I enjoy woodworking and things like that, I'm also wanting to use it as a craft area and just some place that I can get away to. So taking all these into account, I am going to try to implement something from each one to make it a space that is flexible and works best for me. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Take care. Bye.